Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this break effect in Unreal Engine 5 Niagara. You can break anything like this bottle or this shield. You can break anything in this, just you need to change the texture and it will work accordingly. So let's start this tutorial how I created this. So I start with this empty project in Unreal Engine 5. I don't have anything here right now. So first of all, I need a texture. So if I'll Google, I'll just save this bottle texture to my desktop and I'll import this. And let's rename this glass bottle, or I think I should take a free. If you can just go here and take the Creative Commons license, then you can find some free. If you can find some free like this one, yeah, I can use this one. This is also free, so that will be good for me. So I'll save this one, save, just replace this and let me just re-import this. So I have this free texture. Now I will create a material from this, and in material I want the background